This machine is used for drilling holes, milling grooves, processing circular holes, and the other different special shaped holes of aluminum alloy profiles. Workbench can turn 180度，负90度0度加90度。It can realize 3 sides. Processing by clamping one time. It can process deep end, special shaped holes through Workbench. High efficiency and precision. The bed ducts has strength welded structure, which ensures high rigidity and stability of the whole machine after thermal aging annealing treatment. Adopting electric spindle, high precision, high safety and reliability.